Bio Verti-Drain. It has the same function as Verti-Drain and has been certified by the Authorized Testing Institute to maintain its quality for 3 years before degradation. The excellent performance and effect of Bio Verti-Drain has been proved through its actual cases, Saemangeum's South to North Road construction and Busan Echo Delta City project in Korea. It can be installed with general PVD construction equipment and should become an effective alternative in the future civil engineering market, which allows clean nature and environment to the next generation. Bio Verti-Drain is an environment-friendly vertical drain designed to decompose into H2O and CO2 in the ground after soil improvement.